Right now we are in the airport in Copenhagen. Damn. So we made it to Serbia! Summer! Ready? Are you ready? So how do you feel in Novi Sad, Serbia?
Oh, revealed! It's lovely. The sun, the vibe, the music, everything feels amazing.
So this is how you make dope YouTube videos. You find a bunch of people that can bike for you and you shoot them do some tricks. Yep. Guys, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Bogdan.
Bogdan. And you?
Lana.
Lana?
Costa.
Costa. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah, so first day in Serbia, in Novi Sad, is coming to an end. I actually don't know if we pronounce it right.
I think so.
Novi Sad? Yeah, English pronunciation, Novi Sad. Yeah, so first day, coming to an end. We just found this spot next to the water. There's actually a beach behind us, right here. Not so many people, which of course is lucky enough in these times. But damn, the weather today has been super awesome. 16 degrees when it was the most. Had to take off the shirt and be in a t-shirt because it was so amazing. Coming from the cold for 3 months to this, pretty amazing.
Yeah, certainly.
Why did you choose to come here, baby?
After some time of researching what is open, what is not, and how possible it is to come in and out with both passports. Also, the way the country looks itself, and that looked safe enough.
Yeah, definitely.
So I think also the nature and all the national parks and that we found, that made me inspired to come.
So far everything has run smooth, from the airport, the COVID-19 test, coming here with the transportation, and yeah, getting around today. So the planning so far, babe, has been amazing. Straight over my head. First day here in Serbia. Actually, we're watching Kara and Nate. Kara and Nate is YouTubers, so we're watching Kara and Nate on the telly here in the background to get a little bit of inspiration for our own YouTube videos.